86, serving Watseka and Crescent, Illinois, and Fowler and Catland, Indiana. The current time is 8:02 p.m. Central Standard Time.
The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the following county, Iroquois, Illinois, and the following counties in Indiana, Benton, and Newton. Special weather statement for southeastern Iroquois.
Significant
Jensen,
weather
Benton, and
advisory.
Newton counties until 8:15 p.m. or 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:41 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar restricting the line of
I thought it was Doppler
thunderstorms
radar.
near Ennis and moving just at 30 miles per hour. These storms will produce torrential downpours, hail up to a half-inch in diameter, and wind gusts up to 55
This
miles
is the
per
old
hour. Strong
interfacer.
thunderstorms will be near Ennis around
It said
7:45
Doppler radar, not
p.m.
National Weather
Fair
Service
Oaks,
Doppler radar.
Pembroke, and Roselawn around 7:55 p.m. Surrey around 8 p.m. Talbot and Dunnington around 8:05 p.m.
That's nice.
Gifford, Atkinson, Moody, Templeton, Knoxford, and Boswell around 8:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these storms include Ambia, Earl Park, Wellington, Mount Airy, and Wheatfield, including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 200 and 229. This includes Bus 41 Dragway.
The following is a flood advisory from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Fort and Iroquois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued urban and small stream flood advisory for poor drainage areas for Iroquois County in east central Illinois, southeastern Fort County in east central Illinois until 9:45 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of intense thunderstorms producing very heavy rainfall. The strongest storms are producing locally over an inch in less than an hour. This will cause minor urban and small stream flooding as well as overflowing poor drainage areas. Persons traveling this evening should be prepared to encounter some minor flooding and standing water on roadways. Now here is the hazardous weather